So hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today we are discuss all the new events of Weex, and here you will see like this type interface, and here you will see gold and silver 0% fee. The sign up is you can hear, and I have to put this application link on our description below and comment raffle also. So first of all, I request you, if you first time visit on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So when you tap the link, you will see like this type interface. Here's the end in 70 days and 3 hours and 1 minute 27 seconds also. So first of all, here you can check, you can sign up here. So when you tap, you will see the sign up. So you need to check, you can sign up here, and easy you can sign up. And after the sign up, get some bonus here. So I have to already complete my registration. Now we are going to log in here. And I have to complete sign up here, and again you can registration now. So you can register in some seconds, so you can okay. And here you can check, I have to registered already. And here you can check features stating gold, silver. Here you can check the price and 24 into 7. Here you can check. And here you can change the low and high and roll and trade now easily. You can check and roll also. You can do it. Here's the silver. Here you can check the perpetual. Here is the price and also more. Stocks, you can check the stock also. Here is the crude oil. So here's the thumb rule also, which you can read here. Right of now, here's many more options like P2P trading and quick buy, and here's a market. And futures trading, USD and futures and copy trade, AI trading kit, and demo trading leaderboard and about futures. And here you can check the all details about institutional listing of zero fee and metrics and stock also. And now here you can check under promotion hot new users reward also, invite to get 60 friends, unlock up to 30,000 and discover events live event with the real rewards. Need calendar, stay on to all the latest action and be launch sport. You can check here sport, and here you can check the airdrop also, and airdrop hug sport challenge, the blue XT of long term and the ecosystem and trade. Here you can check the also details. La Liga also, and there you can check the trade to one live La Liga Arena. Welcome to Camwells, and here's the La Liga and Arena also. So here when you tap, you can register, and here you can deposit also. One can deposit in P2P and buy with USDT also. So when you tap, you will see here the new interface, and here you need to select the currency like USDT, VTC, many more options. And here you can select the chain like USDT, and the select your code new isn't you can here deposit if you want to do deposit. And here you can check also more details, and here you can check VTC and deposit also. Here's a more deposit, and here's a bonus. And if you want to withdraw easily, you can withdraw and own an account and a sport order future and a fiat order also. And now I will show you Weex about. Here's about us and support also help center fee schedule trading rule, and here's the contact verifier, submit feedback, complaints, legal statement, risk and disclosure term and use and privacy policy, by bulbs and notice, and the AML CTF policy and law informants. Contacts of customer support board VIP service and product future bonus and future free and sport and copy trade and markets meets sport and service. To rewards, invite friends and OTC download affiliate VIP program API broker listing piece flat and fee and site map, and here's the resource also by client team also. There is the new build is the made, and you can check here if you want many more awesome. And here you can check the rule and my reward also. And here's the some same material also. So you can check the referral if you want to generate more earning. So you can see how this And here, you can check already an affiliate if you are already part of affiliate program. Copy and refer code to the below to the share. So you can copy this and share your family member and friends also. So easy here, you can see here. Easy to use. If you have any query, you can contact the customer service. There's the available 24 hours. So you can contact them. I hope this video helped to work for you. So take care in the next video. Bye bye.